So here's how to change your voice on microphone. So first you'll need a free voice changer. You want to open your browser and then head to voicemod.net, and then you want to click on download for free, and that should take you to this page. You might be prompted to log in with your Gmail or another platform account, and then you'll be able to download the installer. Now you'll simply click on it and follow the steps to install it. I want to select the language, press OK, and then follow along to install the software. I have it already installed, so I'm gonna skip this part. Now once you open the program, it should look like this, which offers free voice change mods and other ones that are temporary, and they change pretty much every day. I think they give new voices to test for the entire day, so you can pick one of those daily voices or the free ones. But for the others, they will require a pro payment or becoming a pro to use the other one or unlock everything. So you can select, for example, a banana voice.
And like that, your voice should change. Now you
can turn it back to default or use a clean mic. You can also
turn this off.
And like that, you should go back to your default voice. Now you can also use other sounds to play them through the mic. So if you want to go to the soundboards and select from these sounds, for example, a honk like that can be played through the microphone. You can also click add button and then upload your own music or songs to use them. And now, for example, to change your voice in a specific application or maybe a video game. So what you can do is just change your input device. So for example, I'm going to open Discord. So if I open Discord and I go to the voice and video settings, now in the input device, you can see the default is should be your default microphone. Now you will need to change it to microphone voice mode virtual audio device. And like that, if you press let's talk, you can hear yourself talking with the voice mode. And you can also apply any voice mode that you like. And that will change your voice in the app like Discord or video game or whatever app you need to change your voice on. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.